Cancun is packed with incredible experiences and thrilling activities, but with limited availability and last-minute crowds, it's easy to end up missing out. So to help you out, I've ranked the top 21 things to do in Cancun, with direct links below to book at the best price, saving you up to 45% off on some activities for a limited time, allowing you to save money and avoid disappointment when you get there. I've also linked my playlist showcasing the best places to stay in Cancun, and for certain activities, I'll mention exactly where to stay nearby for maximum convenience as we go. And be sure to check out the final entry on this list if you want to truly make your stay in Cancun unforgettable. If you're staying in Cancun and want to explore beyond the beach, this is the best day trip you can take. The Chichén, Itzá, and Cenote tour includes a guided visit to the iconic pyramid, a swim in a sacred cenote, a stop in the colonial town of Valladolid, and a buffet lunch, all in one 12-hour adventure. You can book a basic version for just $32, or go all-inclusive for $92, which covers hotel pickup, your Chichén Itzá entry ticket, lockers, life jackets, and even a drink at lunch. My personal tip is to bring around $40 in pesos for taxes and small purchases, since many vendors don't accept cards. Also, shade is limited at the ruins, so pack an umbrella or wide-brimmed hat and water. This is one of the most highly rated day trips in the region, and you can get 45% off for a limited time when you book through the link in the top comment or description. And if you want somewhere close to stay nearby that's not right in Cancun, then the Hacienda Chichén Resort and Yaxcan Spa is just a few minutes away. The booking link is also below. If you want to spend a day on the water with drinks, views, and plenty of sunshine, this is the best boat tour in Cancun. The Isla Mujeres Catamaran cruise includes snorkeling at the Great Mayan Reef, open bar on board, and a buffet lunch at a private beach club, plus time to relax or explore the island's famous Playa Norte. The base tour starts at $59, but for $75 you get lunch included and access to the full beach club. Just be aware there's a $20 marine park fee due at check-in, and hotel pickup costs extra unless you select the upgraded version. I recommend arriving early at Marina Las Perlas since check-in can get crowded. If you want shade on the boat, claim your seat fast. This tour is one of Cancun's most popular, and you can book it now using the link in the top comment or description. But if you're after something that feels more like a full-blown experience than just an excursion, Xcaret Park delivers on every level. Set in the jungle near Playa del Carmen, this massive eco-park combines underground rivers, beaches, animal sanctuaries, cultural exhibits, and live shows across more than 50 attractions. You'll float through crystal-clear caves, spot jaguars and flamingos, explore Mayan ruins, and end the night with the Mexico Espectacular, a stadium-scale performance with over 300 artists. Admission starts at $109, but the Plus option includes a buffet meal, lockers, and access to premium facilities, which makes a big difference once you're inside. Bring water shoes and plan your route because the park is huge, and there's no way to cover it all in one visit. Snorkel rentals, jet boat rides, and other optional upgrades are available inside, but it's best to book early using the link below to avoid missing out. If you're short on time but still want to experience real Mayan history and coastal views, this is the most scenic day trip from Cancun. The Tulum ruins sit right on a cliff above the Caribbean, offering some of the best photo spots in the region, and the site is compact enough to explore without feeling rushed. After the guided tour, you'll head to a nearby cenote for a refreshing swim in turquoise water. It's priced at $59, with pickup included from most hotels, and the whole trip wraps up in around 4 hours, leaving the rest of your day free. Just budget an extra $40 for site fees. Compared to bigger experiences like Xcaret, this one's all about simplicity and stunning views, and it's a perfect fit for a lighter travel day. If you're craving a nature experience that feels personal and untouched, this is one of the best ways to do it near Cancun. This private tour combines 3 of the region's most unique swimming spots, without the crowds. You'll start at Akumal Bay, snorkeling just feet away from wild sea turtles while the beach is still quiet. Then you'll visit a jungle cenote with zip lines and platform jumps. And finally, explore a stunning underground cave river where the light and rock formations make it feel like another planet. It runs about 7 hours, with premium snorkel gear, a personal guide, and hotel pickup included, all for $215 per person. It's a premium price, but for travelers who want privacy and access to less touristy spots, the value is in the freedom and timing. You can book it directly through the link in the top comment or description. If relaxing by the beach isn't your thing, and you'd rather fly, climb, and crash through jungle trails, Xplor is where it all happens. This full-day adventure park is built for non-stop movement, with 14 massive zip lines, underground rivers, jungle ATVs, and cave rafting all included. You'll zip from tower to tower, swim through glowing caverns, and blast through off-road trails in a 4x4. Tickets start at $150 and include an all-you-can-eat buffet and smoothies to keep you going. It's a full-body experience, so bring water shoes, a change of clothes, and be ready to sweat. This is the most action-packed park in Cancun, and you can book it now using the link below. And if your trip needs one unforgettable night out, Coco Bongo is still the wildest show in Cancun. Think acrobatics, confetti, celebrity impersonators, and a non-stop party that goes from 9 p.m. to 3 a.m. The VIP Gold member ticket costs $155 and gets you express entry, a reserved seat, and unlimited premium drinks brought straight to your table by your own waiter. It's loud, it's over the top, and it's exactly what you expect from Cancun nightlife. Just know the snacks are basic, and the best floor seats cost extra once you're inside. For the full experience, arrive by 8:30 to claim a good spot, and don't wait too long to book. VIP tickets are limited and almost always sell out a few days in advance. Use the link below to secure your spot now. When you need a break from the beach but still want something scenic and relaxing, La Isla Shopping Village is the perfect change of pace. Located right in the hotel zone, this open-air mall blends top global brands like Zara, Nike, and Louis Vuitton with lagoon views, canal walkways, and waterfront restaurants. You can even stop by the interactive aquarium or take a ride on the giant sky wheel while you're there. It's not just shopping, it's a full afternoon experience. If you want a full dose of adrenaline without breaking the bank, this all-in-one jungle tour is the best value in Cancun. For just $65, you'll get behind the wheel of your own ATV, fly across zip lines, and swim in a stunning Mayan cenote, all in one half-day trip. The park keeps group sizes small, and safety gear is included. You can upgrade to the Gold Pass for even more zips, jungle bridges, and locker access. With round-trip hotel pickup and snacks included, it's a no-brainer for thrill seekers. Book early. This one fills fast. Links in the top comment or description. This is the perfect way to squeeze a full adventure into just 2 hours. You'll take the wheel of your own 2-person speedboat and zip through Cancun's lush mangrove jungle before snorkeling at Punta Nizuc Reef, one of the region's most colorful and accessible spots. It's beginner-friendly, scenic, and only $59 per person. Great for a half-day thrill that doesn't eat up your beach time. If you want a snorkeling experience that feels completely unique to Cancun, this is the one to book. The Musa Underwater Museum is a surreal gallery of over 500 submerged sculptures designed to support marine life, and you get to swim right through it. This $60 tour includes all your gear, drinks, and a bilingual guide, but you'll need to bring $20 USD in cash for dock and marine park fees. It departs from the hotel zone and runs about 4 hours total. Just be aware, seas can get choppy, so if you're prone to motion sickness, prep ahead. And book early. Limited departures fill fast. For travelers who want a taste of authentic Mexico, this downtown taco tour is the real deal. Over 4 flavorful hours, you'll walk the vibrant streets of Cancun's historic center, sampling everything from brisket and al pastor to shrimp and chorizo tacos, plus elote, churros, and a complimentary tequila tasting. The $69 price covers 6 to 8 tacos, 1 dessert, and a local guide who brings the city's flavors and history to life. This tour meets at Parque de las Palapas at 5:30 p.m. and delivers a delicious cultural experience that goes beyond the resort. If you're craving pure adrenaline in the Cancun sun, this jet ski rental hits the mark. For just $80, you can power across the Nishupte Lagoon on a 30-minute ride, or double your time to 60 minutes for $135. No experience or license needed, just bring a valid ID and be ready for a safety briefing. Each jet ski fits 2 people, with a combined weight limit of 450 pounds, and includes fuel, life jackets, and bottled water after the ride. It's one of the fastest, most thrilling ways to experience Cancun from the water. If you're craving the kind of evening that feels straight out of a movie, this Isla Mujeres sunset cruise delivers. You'll sail across the Caribbean just before dusk, with cocktails in hand, panoramic views of the coastline, and live music or chilled-out beats setting the mood. Once on the island, stroll through the heart of downtown and swim at Playa Norte, one of the top-ranked beaches in the world. It's a perfect combo of ocean breeze, warm colors, and relaxed romance that turns an ordinary night into a lifelong memory. When you need a break from the beach but still want non-stop action, Ventura Park is Cancun's go-to spot for families. This beachfront amusement park combines a water park, zip lines, go-karts, virtual reality games, and a kid-friendly dolphin encounter, all in one place. It's perfect for mixed age groups, with toddler-safe splash zones right alongside adrenaline-pumping attractions. All-inclusive day passes cover unlimited food, drinks, and most activities, so parents can relax while the kids run wild. If you're craving the ultimate view of Cancun's turquoise coastline without breaking a sweat, parasailing is it. Lift off straight from the beach and soar 240 feet above the Caribbean Sea for a peaceful, panoramic flight you'll never forget. It's surprisingly gentle, totally beginner-friendly, and gives you front-row views of Isla Mujeres, the hotel zone, and that endless blue horizon. Fast, fun, and unforgettable. This is one of Cancun's best quick-hit thrills. If you're tired of the buffet and want a real taste of Mexico, this hands-on cooking class delivers. Start with a guided walk through a bustling local market, picking the freshest ingredients alongside a local chef. Then, dive into an open kitchen to prepare classics like guacamole, handmade tortillas, enchiladas, and even arroz con leche. No experience needed, just curiosity and an appetite. With transport included and small groups, it's one of Cancun's most flavorful and authentic experiences. Reserve your spot using the link below. For travelers looking to swap poolside lounging for real adventure, this deep-sea fishing tour delivers. Spend 6 hours offshore in the Caribbean, casting lines for marlin, grouper, wahoo, and more using pro-grade Shimano and Penn gear. The small group setup makes it perfect for families or first-timers, while onboard drinks and crew support keep things smooth from start to finish. All set against a backdrop of open sea and Cancun's stunning coastline. This is where golf meets luxury. The Iberostar Cancun Golf Club is a championship 18-hole par 72 course set between the Caribbean Sea and the Nichupte Lagoon. Designed by PGA legend Isao Aoki, it offers tight fairways, water obstacles, and lush mangrove backdrops across 150 acres of pristine subtropical terrain. It includes green fees, a golf cart, practice balls, plus all-inclusive drinks, beer, and food throughout your game. Round-trip transportation is included for maximum convenience. For the perfect stay-and-play experience, the Iberostar Selection Cancun is just 850 meters from the clubhouse. This upscale beachfront resort makes it effortless to transition from breakfast to the first tee, no shuttle needed. You can book both the resort and the activity using the links below. For travelers who want to experience the full underwater magic of Cancun without spending a whole day doing it, this tour delivers big. In just under 3 hours, you'll hit 5 stunning locations, each completely different. Start with a lively coral reef filled with tropical fish, glide past haunting underwater sculptures, search for sea turtles with an expert guide, swim through a sunken shipwreck, and finish by exploring a rare coastal cenote. Group sizes are capped at 6 for a more personal, relaxed pace. It's beginner-friendly, family-friendly, and the whole thing runs with clockwork efficiency from a well-equipped marina. If you're looking for a short but unforgettable ocean adventure, this is one of the most rewarding options in Cancun. When your Cancun trip needs to go beyond the ordinary, birthdays, proposals, reunions, or simply living your best life, this is the experience that delivers. This private yacht charter isn't just a tour, it's your personal floating paradise. No crowds, no rush, just you, the sea, and your hand-picked crew navigating the most stunning waters in the Caribbean. Board a 46-foot luxury sea ray and escape to Isla Mujeres, snorkel vibrant reefs, or anchor at Playa Norte, one of the most beautiful beaches in the world. Every trip is tailored to your vibe, whether that's dancing to your own playlist, sipping drinks under the sun, or diving into crystal clear water with no one else around. If you want the ultimate Cancun highlight, this is it. Dates for private charters are limited and high demand, especially during peak weeks. Book early to lock in your day on the water using the links below, where you'll also find my Cancun and Mexico playlist for the best places to stay.